think I made it. I think I made it, cause I'm always smiling and you're the reason now.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SNKRHDZ on the budget, and I'm going to show you two of my greatest cops yet. My favorite shoes of all time. Everybody has a Grail list, so I got two of mine. They're both Air Jordan 6s, and I am excited to share them with you today. If you follow me on social media, you've already seen one, but you're about to see the other. So before we get into it, man, I appreciate all the love I got in my last video. And we can show the same love to this one, I would greatly appreciate it. I do thank you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. We are doing a giveaway, so definitely be in it for that. Oh my god. So definitely be in it for that. And, you know, new subscribers, a giveaway for that. And there's a little scavenger hunt for a mystery box, which is there for that. So definitely be sure to look at that, guys. Definitely appreciate you guys all. Thank you for sharing me. I'm also starting a video game channel, which you see right around here, just to have some fun with it. You know, not doing anything too crazy, just having fun, uploading stuff, you know, what have you. So let's get into it. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen these, but I'm gonna unbox one to show you the other one. So one of my Grail list finds, which is so amazing, is these Air Jordan 6 Beijings. Now, I'm gonna keep this video fairly short. It don't need to be that long. But wow, when I first seen these, I was like, yes, I need these. These released way back when, let me see, 2008, 2009. This is a fairly old shoe. But the colorway of this shoe is just amazing. You see the Air Jordan right there in that red and yellow, got the green block right there, look at that. And just the color of the shoe is overall crazy. Now this whole shoe is covered in patent leather, which, you know, it cracks. But this shoe there's a few, you know, creases, but it hasn't cracked. There's no issues with that. Some separation, but I have removed that. But dude, like, the colorway is insane. You see that? I'm not a fan of having this down here, but when I got them, they were down here, and I definitely wasn't gonna like take the time to move it up, because you know me, my former name was too hot to desk. Like, you know, I had to put these on feet, and so I just, yeah, the colorway is just so crazy. And every time I try to look for a pair of these, it was like a little too expensive. I was able to get these on eBay for 70 bucks, which is not bad, especially the condition they are in. These are amazing. Now, some of the color is kind of like fading off, but I don't even want to touch it. That's how great of condition these shoes are in. I'm just excited with it. So this is definitely one of my favorite shoes I've copped this year so far. And the next shoe I'm going to show you is like, wow, like I'm super excited for that. So let me show you this, another steal. So, came in this big box. I ran did some errands. Did some trips to the thrift footage. You guys will see that. I got to edit it up and put some stuff out. Got some new stuff I'll put on my website, on the eBay site. So definitely check that out to get new jobs. So you just got an insight that I'm dropping new stuff. So you're getting an early footage, so you can get on it and get it before anybody else. But let's get back to the shoe. Look at this box. This is a huge box. I'm excited to crack it. So where is my knife? Ah! This color is fitting, you will see. Oh my god, he taped this up. I appreciate the security, brother. So I also got these for a steal on eBay. Got these for a trade and some cash. So I'm not upset about that. Traded some SBs and got paid a little extra on the side. And so if I can actually get these out, God. Woo. Well, I was scared for a minute, y'all. I was scared. So he done that to juke me. I looked in the thing and all I seen was this. So I said, this man did not fill this whole thing up with bags. Woo! I don't know if you can see that box right here. Oh, pull it out. Ooh! Got a little dust on it. Oh, we could clean that off. Woo! It's Air Jordan Brazil pack. Ooh! Ooh, open them things up. Look at these. Woo! It's Air Jordan 6 Brazil pack. This, ooh. Now I remember it was like 2014, I believe. 2013, 14 when these came out. And I wanted them so bad. But it came in the pack with the CP3s. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't want the CP3s.
How, Sway?
I'm not gonna lie to you. But I wanted these. And sheesh. Look at that, dude. Look at that condition of these. Wow. Man, the more I film these, the more these materials just look crazy. This is solid. Solid material shoe. Oh, that's so butter. Can you hear that? Solid. And I think these are limited. I think that's why I couldn't really get my hands on it because they're limited. I think they're limited to like 2,000 pairs. 3,000, I'm not sure, I'll probably research it. But I think they were limited, so I'm super excited to get these. Oh god, I'm so glad. Oh. I'm so excited to have these in my hand right now. Just the specs, just the colorway. I was gonna customize a low and make it like this. Now there's definitely some scratches over here that I definitely need to clean up. And he told me there was a scratch up here on the upper, and I kind of see this kind of like right there. But with, I can fix that. But with like this plus the cash, I mean, it was like, wow, these things. Dude, I'm excited to rock these. Like, this is definitely a Grail shoe that's on my list, and I finally got these in hand. Oh, I thought there wasn't no lace locks. Still got the lace locks in there. Let's go. Let's go. So you, hey, yo, this low-key soothing. I put the ASMR. Wait. Can I hear that? Is that soothing? No? Nah, it's just annoying? Okay. Dude, well, damn. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'd like to do more unboxing with you guys. Definitely have been doing a lot of other stuff. I've been slowed down on the unboxing. Definitely enjoy it. Definitely want to share these with you guys, as these are two of my Grail-less finds. Like, woo! Your boy would be happy in retirement a little bit. Look at these. Sheesh. So excited. But go ahead, leave a like on this video, guys. Please share it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll be back with more footage. Also dropping two other bangers soon. So be on the lookout for that. Put them notifications on. I'll check y'all soon. Peace.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.